Has an unknown number ever made your heart skip a beat while you were abroad? Thai? English? It's unsettling not knowing what to expect, isn't it? But when a call comes in online, it's different. You can answer in Japanese. That alone makes all the difference. Line calling is a wonderfully convenient feature that lets you talk to friends and family for free. For those living abroad, line calls are an essential way to stay connected with Japan. But did you know there's a feature that makes it even better? Mastering the Calls tab makes line calling even more convenient. Take a look at the bottom of your line screen. Do you see the Calls icon? Or has it been replaced by the News icon? The Calls and News tabs can't both be shown at the same time. It's one or the other. Without the Calls tab, you can't quickly check your call history, which is very inconvenient. Let me show you how to switch to the Calls tab. I'll walk you through it step by step. There are 5 steps in total. Let's do it together. First, tap the Home icon at the bottom of the screen. The home screen will appear. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner. This is the gateway to the settings screen. Once the settings screen opens, scroll down. Find the item labeled Calls and tap it. The Calls settings screen will open. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll find Calls News tab display. Tap it. You'll see options for Calls and News. Tap Calls to select it. A confirmation screen will appear. Tap Change. That's it. Setup is complete. Look at the tabs at the bottom of the screen. The Calls icon is now displayed. You can now access the Calls tab anytime. Now let's tap the Calls tab. Your call history will appear as a list, just like this. Incoming, outgoing, and missed calls are all visible at a glance, with dates and times. You can instantly see who called and when. Look at this screen. The names and times of our incoming calls are listed. There's a phone icon on the right side. Just tap that icon to call back immediately. No need to search for the person in your friends list. It's really easy, isn't it? Just tap that icon to call back immediately. No need to search for them. One tap is all it takes. Even when you're abroad, as long as you have your line call history, you can reach someone in Japanese right away. Tap the phone icon on the right side of the call history. That's all it takes to start a callback. Really simple, right? How was that? Today I covered 3 key points. First, just switching to the Calls tab lets you see your history instantly. Second, incoming, outgoing, and missed calls are all visible at a glance. Third, a single tap on the phone icon is all you need to call back. Just these simple steps make line calling so much more convenient. Give it a try starting today. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. It would mean a lot if you'd subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.